Hello my dear students, you are all welcome in my Pathshala. Myself Subramitra Thakur from IQCT Durgapur. Today I will take the second class of the mensuration, that is the area of triangle. So in the first class I already discussed about the area of rectangle and square. Today we will learn about the area of triangle. You know triangle, the triangle there is a three side, right, and three angles. This is the triangle. But for area of triangle, the base formula is area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Half base into height means corresponding height, right? If you consider this base, it is BC. So in this case, it is the half area is equal to half into BC into AD, means half into B into H. In this case, here is the altitude is on the PR side. So PR will be the base. It depends upon in which side the perpendicular has drawn. That will be considered as base. Here in this case, area will be half into PR into QB, right? QS, that is half into base into height, right? And in right angle triangle, so it is the base always. So it is the 90 degree. So it will be base, it will be height. So here half EF into DE, half EF into DE. That will be the for right angle triangle, right? So we will do some mathematics from this chapter. So I am showing lot of number 8 number mathematics from this chapter. I think you will be all able to do the mathematics from this chapter, right? So on the basis of half base into height, Suppose here is first question is question 1. That is the base of triangle is 4 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. What will be the area? Calculate this area. So area will be half base into height, half into base into height. That is half into 4 into 6. That is 12 centimeter square. Question number 2. Here base and height is given and area will be calculated. Right. Here area has given. Area is 96 centimeter square and base is equal to 16 centimeter. So 8. What will be the H? Height. So we know area is equal to half into base into height. So height will be 2a by base. That is 2 into 96 by 16. Sorry, that is 12 centimeter height, right? Suppose another question is given, that is the base and height in the ratio. It has given in the ratio. Base and height is a 3:4 and area. Question number 3. Base is to height is equal to 3:4 of a triangle. It is given. And area is 150 centimeter square. Find base and height. What will be the base and height? Base is to height is 3:4. Suppose base is equal to 3x and height will be the 4x. Right? So area will be half base into height, 2 means 6x square. Area is equal to 6x square. 6x square is equal to area is given 150. So x square is equal to 150 by 6, that is 25. So x will be the root over 25, that is 5 centimeter. X is the 5 centimeter. So base will be the, base is 3x, 3 into 5, that is 15 centimeter, and height is equal to 4x, 4 into 5, that is 20 centimeter. Right? So you can do if it is given in the ratio. Right? Now I will show 4 mathematics from the how to calculate the area. Find the area of the shaded portion. This has given this figure is given, it is the 6 centimeter, it is 10 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter. So we know in rectangular field, whatever the length, that length will be same. So if it is 10 centimeter, then it will be the 10 centimeter. But here it is that this point to this point is 6 centimeter. So it will be the 4 centimeter. Then the total will be the 10 centimeter. So the area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion will be the, it is a base is 4 and height is 3. So area will be the half into 4 into 3, means 6 centimeter square. It is in centimeter, 6 centimeter square. Question number 4. Question number 5. How it is the shaded area? It is given this triangle, this is the rectangle again. Here it is a middle point. This type of triangle is given. This is the 16 base, and it has given, so it is equal to, this is 8, this is 8, this is 6. So what will be the area? This is the shaded portion. So area of shaded portion equal to half base into height. This is the triangular shape. So here is the base is 16. So what will be the height? Height will be the, if we consider this perpendicular, draw a perpendicular here, that perpendicular, that will be the 6. Here it is 6. So it will be also 6. So half into 16 into 6, 3, is 48 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle, right? Area of the shaded portion. So I'll do 2 mathematics more on the basis of the shaded portion, how to calculate the shaded portion. So then I think it will be easy for you to calculate all the things. This is question number 7. Then this is the figure. It is 6. This is 15. So this is 15. This is 30. And shaded portion will be like that. So if we, here you will point out the marks A, B, C, D, here it is P, right? Or E. E. If I consider the total rectangle ABCD, from the area of the rectangle ABCD, if I minus the area of ADE, that will be the minus from the total area. From the total area, that triangle will be minus. Then I will get the shaded area. So for this is 30 base. So for this, I will get the rectangle. It is rectangle 30 into 15. It is the area I will get. But for triangle this, it is 16. It is 6 centimeter. So it will be the 9 centimeter. Because total is 15 centimeter. So the area of shaded portion equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus triangle ADE. ADE. That is rectangle 30 into 15 minus half into 9 into 30. That is 450 minus 59 135. 300 300 315. That will be the 315 centimeter square. That will be the shaded portion, right? So I will. It is the minus from rectangle to in the beginning. I have shown that two mathematics that it will be calculated directly from the shaded portion, and in this manner, the shaded portion will be calculated from the total area minus the unshaded area. Again, I am showing another mathematics how to calculate the shaded area. That is the total shaded area minus, like that. This is the figure. It is a rectangle, right? This is here. It is a perpendicular line, and this is the shaded area. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So here the value is, that is the total 40 here. It is a 40 and it is 25. Right? It is 40, it is 25. So, and it is the 30 from this point to this point. This is 10 from this point to this point. So if I get the shaded portion, how I will get the shaded portion? From the total here, it is a right angle, it is a right angle, it is a right angle. Sorry. So I will get all the things here. It is 25. This is 18. This is 18 as given. So this is 18, this is 7. So if I consider the total area of the ABCD minus this triangle, minus this triangle, and this triangle. So I will get the shaded portion. So area of shaded portion equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus triangle CBF minus triangle AEF minus triangle CDE. So if I add three area of this three triangle, this white triangle, and it will be after adding the whole area, and if I minus from the total area, I will get the shaded portion. So here it is the 40 into 25 minus, this is the half into CBF means it is 30 into 25 plus half into, here it is AEF 10 into 18 plus half into 40 into 7. So 20, here 9, here 15. So 1000 minus, here it is 25 15 25 25 10 250 125 5 2 7 3 375 plus 90 plus 140. So 1000 minus 005 9 আছে 13 13 আর 7 13 আর 7 20 শূন্য তাহলে 2 2 3 আর 2 5 505. That will be the 495 centimeter square. That is the shaded portion, right? So I think it is very clear to you in this case. In the total, from the total area, it will be minus the area of this area, this triangle. Then I will get the shaded area, right? So now, again another mathematics is there. This is the last mathematics from this chapter. So you will see this. The area of the field is 320 feet. Area is equal to area of the triangular field. Area of a triangular is 324 meter square. And base is equal to 18. If base is equal to 18, then find height. Height is equal to. So area is equal to half into base into height. So height will be 2 into area by base. So 2 into 324 by base 18. So 18 18 18 36. The height is equal to 36 centimeter, right? 36 meter. This is the meter, 36 meter. So in this area there is a rectangle. The rectangle, the triangle area is equal to 324. The rectangle area is also 324, right? In the same area, this length is 24. So what will be the, here is breadth and perimeter. So here is the area is equal to length into breadth. So breadth is equal to area by length. So 324 by 24. 4 24 6 5 30 24 6 4 24 4 দিয়ে 4 54 6 দিয়ে গেলে 6 4 দিয়ে গেলে 4 6 24 4 দিয়ে 4 6 24 6 9 54. That is equal to 9 meter, and perimeter will be the 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into 24 plus 9. That is 2 into 33. That is 66 meter. Right? In the same area, there is a triangle, there is a rectangle, whose area is given, and base is given. So height it will be calculated, and in the same area, the area of the triangle, a length is given. From the length, you will calculate the breadth, and from breadth is equal to 9. So from the 9, the perimeter is the 66 meter square. So I think this perimeter mensuration chapter has finished. This is the small portion is in your class 7. So I think you will do all the mathematics from this chapter, and next I will do this mensuration, and another chapter is there, that is surface area and volume, right? In next class, surface area volume will be completed. Thank you. Bye.